Hey everyone! To make these pearl earrings, take a hoop and open up with a plier. I'm inserting a gold bead along with smaller beads and a pearl. This until you reach the end. Insert a big gold bead and close the loop using the plier. Take a pin and attach the pearl to it. Insert the gold top and cut out the extra. Let's attach this to the hoop. Lastly, add a hook and you're done. Beautiful pearl hanging earrings are ready to wear. They look so elegant and it's so simple to make them. I make lot of pearl jewelry and other jewelry as well. So do check them out if you're interested. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos and comment down below if you want any other videos as well. Thank you and happy crafting!